Hello, champ. Congratulations on clearing the NOS Level 1 exam. Welcome to India's most awaited and award-winning Olympiad finale, the NOF Champions League. We've prepared 4 sample papers, 40 questions each, with 3 video solutions to help you perform your best. Watch carefully, take notes, practice, and excel. Here is your English sample paper with solutions.
Hello everyone. Let us solve sample paper number 3 of class 3rd, and the subject that we are doing today is English. Question number 1. I dash my favorite show on TV yesterday evening. The sentence is in simple past tense as it describes the completed action. The time word yesterday clearly shows the action happened in the past. So let's see the options. Option A, watch. Option B, watched. Option C, watching. And option D, watches. By adding ed to the regular verb, we use in past tense. So the correct option is option B, watched. Question number 2, the baby dash in the cradle soon. The options are A, sleeps, B, slept, option C, will sleep, and option D, sleeping. As the sentence is talking about an action that is going to happen in the near future, we will be using option C, will sleep. The baby will sleep in the cradle soon. Question number 3, we dashed to the zoo last weekend. This sentence is again in simple past tense as the action happened in the past, last weekend. So we use past tense of go. The correct option is option D, went. We went to the zoo last weekend. Question number 4, a person who flies an airplane. Option A, teacher. Option B, pilot. Option C, captain. And option D, driver. Pilot is a person who flies an airplane. Option B. Question number 5, a house made of ice. Option A, igloo. Option B, tent. Option C, cabin. Option D, bungalow. A house made of ice is known as an igloo. A is the correct option. Question number 6 to 9 are related to the given passage. The passage says, in the middle of a village, there was a magic garden. The flowers in the garden could talk and the trees could move their branches like arms. One day, a little girl named Mira discovered the garden. The flowers greeted her and she spent hours playing with the dancing trees. Question number 6. Where was the magic garden located? The options are A, in the city, B, in a village, C, near the forest, and option D, on a mountain. As the passage says, in the middle of a small village, there was a magic garden. So the correct option would be option B, in a village. Question number 7. What was special about the flowers? A, they changed colors. B, they could talk. Option C, they could fly. And option D, they sang songs. Here, the correct answer would be the flowers greeted her and she spent hours playing with the dancing trees. So the correct option would be they could talk as the flowers greeted her. Question number 8. Who discovered the garden? A, Priya. B, Rohan. C, Meera. D, Snowy. In the passage it is given, one day a little girl named Meera discovered the garden. So the correct option would be option C, Meera. Question number 9. What did Meera do in the garden? Option A, pick flowers. B, play with trees. C, water plants, and option D, eat fruits. As the passage says, one day, a little girl named Meera discovered the garden and the flowers greeted her, and she spent hours playing with the dancing trees. So the correct option is option B. She played with the trees. Question number 10. Identify the pronoun. Pronoun is a word that replaces a noun. The sentence over here is, we are going to the park. The options are A, park, option B, are, option C, we, and option D, going. Here, pronoun is a word that replaces the noun to avoid repetition. So here the option C is the correct option. We. Question number 11. What is the antonym of expand? Antonym means opposite. The options are A, increase, B, stretch, C, contract, D, grow. Option C is the correct option, contract. Contract means to shrink, reduce, whereas expand means to make or to become large. Question number 12. Complete the phrase once in a dash. Option A, week. Option B, month. Option C, year. And option D, blue moon. The correct option is option D, once in a blue moon. It means very rarely, almost never. It describes something that happens once in a rare occasion. Question number 13. Which word is the conjunction? We went to the park, dash, played on the swings. Options are option A, because, option B, and, option C, but, and option D, or. Here we are going to use a coordinating conjunction, which is used to join two actions or ideas. Going to the park and playing on the swing. We use and to link action or ideas. So the correct option is option B, and. We went to the park and played on the swings. Question number 14. Choose the preposition. The book is placed dash the top shelf. Option A, on, option B, in, option C, above, and option D, at. So the correct option is option A, on. On is used to indicate that the object is in contact with and supported by a surface such as shelf. The book is placed on the top. Question number 15. Select the adverb. The train moves very quickly. The options are A, train, option B, quickly, option C, moves, and option D, very. Adverb is a word that adds more information about the verb. An adverb modifies a verb. In this, quickly modifies the verb, describing how the train is moving. So the correct option is quickly. Option B. Question number 16. What is the male counterpart of a hen on a farm? Option A, rooster. Option B, duck. Option C, goose. And option D, turkey. The correct option is option A, rooster. Rooster is the adult male chicken, while a hen is the adult female chicken. Question number 17. Who would act in a movie if the character is female? The options are A, hero, B, actor, C, actress, and D, director. Option C, actress, is a female performer who acts in movies, play, or other productions. So the correct option is option C, actress. Question number 18. Unscramble the sentence. Loudly, the bell rang school at. The options are A, At school, the loudly bell rang. Option B, the bell rang loudly at. Option C, the bell rang loudly at school. And option D, loudly the school at rang bell the. The correct option is option C, the bell rang loudly at school, as it is grammatically correct and the rest of the options are grammatically incorrect. Question number 19. What does the proverb practice makes perfect encourage? Option A, practicing improves skills. Option B, perfect people practice. Option C, never practice. And option D, perfection is bad. The correct answer is option A, practicing improves skills, as doing something repeatedly is the key to becoming very good at it. Question number 20. Pick the correct article. He has dash idea about the project. The options are option A, option B, an, option C, the, and option D, none. The correct option is option B, an. He has an idea about the project. Idea starts with a vowel sound. An is the indefinite article used before a singular noun beginning with a vowel sound. Question number 21. Pick the correct conjunction. I wanted to play outside, dash, it started raining. Option A, but. Option B, and. Option C, or. And option D, because. Here, we use option number A, but. But is a coordinating conjunction used to connect two clauses that express a contrast idea. You want to play outside is a desired action, and it started raining is a conflicting situation which prevents desire. So here we use the word but to conjoin two phrases. I wanted to play outside, but it started raining. Question number 22. Choose the article. Dash apple a day keeps the doctor away. Option A, option B, and option C, the, and option D, none. Option B is the correct answer, and an apple a day keeps the doctor away. As and starts with the vowel. An is used before a noun starting with the vowel sound. Apple. Question number 23. Which is the correct spelling? A, F-R-E-N-D. B, F-R-I-E-N-D. C, F-R-I-N-D. And option D, F-R-E-I-N-D. The correct answer is option B, F-R-I-E-N-D. Friend. Question number 24. Rearrange the jumbled words. The, shining, stars, brightly, are, night, at. Option A, at night, the stars are brightly shining. Option B, the stars are shining brightly at night. Option C, brightly shining the stars at night are. And option D, shining the stars brightly night at are. The correct option is option B, the stars are shining brightly at night, as this is grammatically correct and rest all the three options are grammatically incorrect. Question number 25. Which word means the same as strong? Option A, weak. Option B, powerful. Option C, gentle. And option D, light. Option B, powerful, is the correct answer. Rest all words are opposite of the word strong. Question number 26. Choose the synonym for cold. Synonym means similar word. Option A, hot. Option B, warm. Option C, chilly. And option D, bright. The correct option is option C, chilly. Question number 27. Which is the verb? The baby cried loudly. Option A, baby. Option B, cried. Option C, loudly. And option D, the. The verb means the action word. Here, cries is showing the action of the baby. So the correct option is option B, cried. The baby cried loudly. Question number 28. Find the adjective. He wore a blue jacket. The options are wore, option B, blue, option C, jacket, and option D, he. Adjective is a word that tells you more about a noun. So here, the correct option is option B, blue. Blue is telling more about the jacket, that the color of the jacket is blue. It is describing the jacket. Question number 29. Choose the correct pronoun. This is my dog. Dash loves to play. Option A, it. Option B, he. Option C, she. And option D, they. We use it. Option A. It is used to refer to an animal as species. It is gender neutral. Question number 30. Choose the word that fits. I always dash my hands before eating. Option A, wash. Option B, washed. Option C, washing. And option D, washes. The correct answer is option A. I always wash my hands before eating. The subject I is a first person pronoun, which takes the base form of verb in present simple tense for habitual actions. Question number 31. Pick the plural form of sheep. Option A, sheeps. Option B, sheep. Option C, sheepen. And option D, sheeps. The correct option is option B, sheep. Question number 32. What is the feminine gender of tiger? Option A, tigress. Option B, lioness. Option C, panther. And option D, leopard. The correct option is option A, tigress. Question number 33. Find the opposite of soft. Option A, gentle. Option B, hard. Option C, warm. And option D, heavy. The correct option is option B, hard. Question number 34. Pick the correct spelling. Option A, RELIEF, relief. Option B, RELIEF, relief. Option C, REALIF, relief. And option D, RELIEFF, relief. So the correct option is option B, relief, RELIEF. Question number 35. What is the collective noun for cows? Option A, flock. Option B, herd. Option C, school. And option D, pack. The correct option is option B, herd. Herd referring to a group of mammals living together, especially for domestic cattle. Question number 36. Fill in the blank. The sun is shining dash in the sky. The options are A, bright. Option B, brightly. Option C, shine. And option D, shiny. The correct answer is option B, brightly. An adverb is needed to describe the verb. So it is used to modify the verb shining by describing how the action is performed. So the correct option is option B, brightly. Question number 37. Choose the correct verb. The children dash their homework before playing. Option A, finish. Option B, finishing. Option C, finished. And option D, finishes. Question number 37. Choose the correct verb. The children dash their homework before playing. Option A, finish. Option B, finishing. Option C, finished. And option D, finishes. The correct option is option C, finished. Finished is used because the action of the completing homework happened earlier than playing, showing a past action that was already done. Question number 38. Choose the correct article. I saw dash owl in the tree. The options are option A, option B, an, option C, the, and option D, none. The correct option is option B, an. I saw an owl in the tree. An is used because owl begins with the vowel sound. Question number 39. Rearrange the jumbled words. The book is table on the. Option A, the book is on the table. Option B, book is table the on the. Option C, is the book table the on? And option D, the book table is the on. The correct option is option A, the book is on the table. The rest of the options are grammatically incorrect. Question number 40. Unscramble the word NTEIRW. Option A, winder. Option B, winter. Option C, writer. And option D, wynot. The correct option is option B, winter. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content.